Hi everyone. My husband's out on the road today and I didn't plan anything for supper, but I'm hungry. So I thought I'd go ahead and just find some things in my freezer and cobble it together. So today we are going to be having hot smoked sausage cauliflower with cheese. So what goes into this throw together meal? Hot smoked sausage, sliced, riced cauliflower, grated Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. So let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is add some coconut oil to fry the sausage. And you don't need much. You put it on medium heat. All right, so we're going to go ahead and dump our sausage in and fry them up. And I want to add a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of onion powder. Okay, so the sausages are looking pretty well cooked. So we'll go ahead and add the riced cauliflower. And stir that. I'm going to add some pepper. So you want to add 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese and then stir to combine and get it all melted. Okay, so my hot sausage cheesy cauliflower concoction is done. And we'll want to go ahead and put some mozzarella cheese on it. And there you have it. My hot sausage cheesy cauliflower, and rounding off the meal is garlic breadstick. So we'll go ahead and give it a taste test. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. My husband's probably glad that he's not here to give this a taste test because, like I said, I just threw everything together. The sausage has a nice taste to it. It's a little spicy, but it is really, really good. The rice has a good flavor too, as well. It has some of the flavor from the sausage, plus the seasonings. I really, really like this. I don't know if my husband would because he doesn't like, spicy stuff. But, this doesn't really have a recipe. I just threw things together. You can make it your own. You can add rice instead of rice cauliflower or potatoes or whatever you would like to do. So if you do try this, or if you make it your own by modifying it somehow, please let me know what you did, how you liked it in the comments below. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.